Hello, this is Chris Buberg. I want to talk to you about a common misperception in workers' compensation cases in Virginia. I talked to a new client yesterday, and we were talking about his injury. He had been injured when his leg fell between the back of a truck and the loading dock, and he suffered a serious injury to his leg. And I said, well, okay, so you got workers' compensation benefits? He said, yes, I did. I got workers' comp. I was on workers' comp. And so I said, well, so you got paid for the time you're out of work, and you now have lifetime medical benefits as a result of that injury. He said, no, what are you talking about? And what it turned out was he had done what a lot of people have done over the years. And when he was injured, he reported it to his employer, and his employer turned the case over to their workers' compensation insurance carrier. And so he dealt with an insurance adjuster, and he was told by that insurance adjuster what benefits he was going to get. And he didn't get all the benefits he was entitled to. He didn't get lifetime medical benefits, and he didn't get pay for the time that he was out of work. All they did was pay for his medical bills. And this brings up a big problem that I've seen over the years many, many times. People call me and say, I'm on workers' comp, but I'm not sure what to do, or I'm on workers' comp, and now they're telling me I can't get further treatment, or I can't get a second opinion, or I have to go back to work. And what's actually going on is they are dealing only with the insurance company. They are not actually dealing with Virginia workers' compensation. In Virginia, workers' compensation is controlled by and handled by the Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission. It's a completely separate body that's run by the state. It's the court system, if you will, for workers' compensation claims. And if you don't file an application for benefits with the Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission, you are not on workers' compensation. All you are receiving is benefits at the discretion of the insurance company. These are voluntary payments, and those voluntary payments can be cut off. So it's very important that an injured worker files a claim with the Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission, and then if the insurance company agrees to accept the claim, they can sign some paperwork, and then there will be an order there. And if an order is signed by a deputy commissioner of the Workers' Compensation Commission, then the payments are no longer voluntary. Then the insurance company can't just cut things off without going to court first. In the worst cases, there have been reported cases, and I had one some years ago, where the voluntary payments were made by the insurance company for the maximum amount of time, which is 500 weeks. And so this person just received paychecks. They thought they were on workers' compensation. And then after that ran out, they were just left to their own devices. And they didn't have any of the additional benefits that would come from an award from the Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission. So even if you think you are on workers' compensation, if you're only receiving letters from an insurance company and you haven't received anything from a state agency with the state seal of Virginia at the top of it, then you're not actually on workers' compensation, and you need to file a claim for benefits with the Workers' Compensation Commission. Remember, I tell all of my clients, never give a recorded statement. Thank you.